Be a video to show the replacement of the airbag impact sensors on a 2002 Jeep Liberty, 4-wheel drive, 3.7 liter V6. First step would be disconnecting the negative terminal of the battery and putting the headlights on or some other power draw, even though the battery is disconnected, to remove any residual power from the system as a precautionary measure. And I'll show you where the impact sensors are. There's two. That's the driver's side impact sensor right there. They're on either side of the radiator. So that's the driver's side impact sensor. There's two bolts that secure it, plus a power clip. There's the other one on the passenger side. Again, two bolts plus a wiring harness to remove. So first step will be to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery and put the headlights on and let it sit. To remove the electrical connector, there's the red tab right there. All you need to do is slide that red tab down and then press on the disconnect and the connector will slide right off. There it is in the locked position. There it is in the unlocked position. Those two bolts, there's the bracket, and the impact sensor just came off. So now I'm just going to installation as a reverse or removal. So I will now put the new impact sensors and bolt them in securely, reconnect the electrical harnesses, set the safety catch, the red safety catch that we undid to unplug the harness, and then I will reconnect the battery.